Okay, Johnny, stand right here. Right there.
Okay.
This would be so much easier if Rachel weren't sick.
We're rolling.
Oh, hey, K-Seaters, it's me, Andrea.
And Johnny.
Johnny, you have to be Rachel.
I mean, Rachel.
Here's this week's event.
Johnny.
It's Rachel.
So, do you want to tell us what's up first this week, Rachel?
Why don't you do it, Andrea?
Fine. There'll be a showing of Monty Python and the Holy Grail, thanks to UPC.
Yes. Enjoy the comedic send-up of the grim circumstances of the Middle Ages.
Was that supposed to be a jab at me? Because it wasn't very good, Jonathan.
It's Rachel.
Rachel, do you want to present the next event?
Do it yourself, Andrea.
No, Jonathan, you do it.
It's Rachel, and you didn't let me finish. Do it yourself as in DIY to the max. That's the next event.
Right. Enjoy fall crafts including designing your own mug, mini pumpkin decorating, puzzle decorating, and more.
Great.
That is not something Rachel would say there, Jonathan. You're ruining this!
I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one.
Go to the friends and
Family scavenger hunt.
Gather 5 to 6 people, register your team, download the Goose Chase app, and be able to drive to different locations.
The team who completes the most missions will be declared the winner and will receive a cash prize. You ready to win, sis?
This episode is over. I'm done with this, Jonathan!